I'm Jody and Chuck Smith. You're watching Decor TV. Today we'll be taking you on a tour of our sewing studio. Come on in. Well, this is just the setup for now, just to get things going in order so far. But I have lots more to do because you notice this door is very old. So in order to make it new again, we're gonna be covering it with wallpaper.
Make it new again.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be painting this entire wall here where this board is at in that light gray.
Ooh, light gray.
Yeah, light gray. Yeah. And then we're gonna be putting the clock all the way up here because I need to be telling the time when I'm working. And in the future, I want to put cupboard, that, you know, a nice shelving.
Ooh, shelving.
Yeah, so I can store more stuff and it won't have that crowdy, you know. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna be making it come from this side all the way over.
Okay.
We need to change the light from the corner there to probably in the middle.
Yeah.
Tell me what you guys think about that. I think it's gonna be cool because the light will be like,
I think it will be awesome
color.
also.
Yeah. And remember when we did that DIY headboard?
Yes.
I actually used piece of there to cover the, what do you call it, light switch thingy. So yeah. So that's a way to upgrade your light switch.
Yes. You didn't even about another video on that.
I know, right? But so far, as you can see, it's an open space. You can walk in, because when you walk in, you can go straight to my office.
Oh, well, let's
guys,
go.
You want to see my desk?
Yeah.
It's not complete, but it's just to get things going right now.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, is that the famous table that I was seeing? Oh my god.
Yes. Here's my desk, guys.
You heard that,
And the old chair, I'm gonna put the cushion on for now, because the back right now 100. I'm going to show a DIY on how to recover your chair next time.
Nice.
Yeah. So here's my desk, guys. My little pencil case over here.
I'm calculator to check my
seal.
A seal. Yeah.
Yes. And I can turn on my computer.
Ooh.
And I have, let's see, I'm gonna stack up my book then. I have enough book, you know. So I'm gonna teach enough people. I'm gonna teach. And then some printer here. From my old, what you call it, something, you know?
Stand.
My old stand.
Just call it that.
Yes, so it's a work in progress, guys.
Well, I say it's great.
Yeah. You see how I mark up the wall? Because I was contemplating how I'm going to put the shelves and my work desk and so, but this is just a work desk for the temporary work desk. Probably I can give it away when I'm ready.
Yeah.
So you might be the lucky one, huh? Yes. When that is complete, I'll give it away.
Wow. You're sewing studios. I say you're sewing studio because you're the one who's sewing.
I'm the one who is sewing. I'm going to be adding hopefully we can add at least 2 more persons to the team who can help us to sew and do all of the DIY projects together. But
yeah, well, come on.
Yeah. I still have to be resting.
Yeah.
Because I'm pushing myself a lot, but
go on, good stuff. Work from home is the best, yeah. I
know, right? Yeah. Working from home is awesome. And you see, when working from home, you have to have a designated area to do your work or your business. Because if your workspace is like all over the place in your room, it's gonna be confusing.
You need to do some decluttering video.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I need to. But
we'll get there.
It's a work in progress.
And we'll get to it and show the guys how it is.
Yes.
Hey, remember I said this used to be a bedroom, right?
Yeah, this was our showroom / bedroom.
/ everything.
Yeah, it's where we did our first Turn Up Your Bedroom series.
It was, yeah.
And most of the pictures that we took, as you can see, the floor.
Yeah, a big giveaway.
I like the earth tone look, but I don't know if I fancy the tiles, but I like the earth tone brown look.
Yeah.
So going with that for now.
Oh my god, my
And the grey
battery's
will look
outside.
nice over there with this color.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I want the workspace to be fun, because you don't want to be in a workspace that is just dull and boring, you know.
Alright.
So I'm gonna bring more life to it.
So this is your what do you call it, thread shelf?
Yeah, this is my. It's actually this shelving right here came from this, because this was a chest to drawer, and we turn it into, as you can see, an open shelf.
Yeah,
So we can
yeah.
store our stuff
Hey,
in.
a crazy DIY we're doing outside them, so.
Yeah, and our makeshift
Yeah.
curtain rod.
Yeah, that's true about the guy, isn't it? Yeah, use the braids.
So,
Yeah. Anyways, this is awesome, Jodian.
oh, thank
You're
you.
so creative, you know that?
Thank you.
That's why I love you. One of the reasons why I love
This is
you.
actually like not just to inspire myself and my husband, but to
Mhm.
inspire everybody else that are watching, and because you know persons want to know what they can do with what they have, and sometimes they feel that they don't have it because they don't know how to use what they have.
But we'll show
So
them.
we're taking the time to show you guys what you can do. So if you're working from home, guys, or you want to start working from home, start designating a space where if you
can
have an
start
extra
looking.
room, or if it's, you know, so designate a space and you set it up nicely.
Yeah.
We'll
but
show you the progress
basically, as we go. So,
as we go along.
guys, we have to wrap it up because the battery's about to die, Jody. Oh my god, I didn't charge it. I'm so
We
sorry,
need an
guys.
extra battery. Anybody want to donate?
Yeah.
I know,
You know
right?
what? Yeah, you know what? Oh god, we're so excited. Yeah, guys, if you love the video, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Yard Soul Decor.
Yes.
Yeah.
And remember to look out for your Decor TV series that will be coming. The
Yeah,
Turn Up Your
Turn Up Your Bedroom, Mountain.
and the news and reviews.
Yeah, and all them stuff
You
there.
know,
And
the
guess
DIY
what?
projects
Our
that
dream,
we're doing.
our hope is like we can go into some people's household and turn it up for them,
It's
like,
gonna
you
be
know,
awesome, I
on a
know.
budget and stuff like that. So, you know, look out the arm and the leg, people. We have a way to say, do it thing.
Yeah, man.
That's what we do, right? So guys, subscribe if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment and let us know what you think of this video. If you have any questions,
Yeah, and if you have any more ideas as to what we can do with the space,
yeah. Tell me what you
can
think.
do.
Tell me what
And
you
tell me what you think
Tell me
about
what you
we're doing
think.
so far.
Tell me what you Tell me what you what?
Bye guys. See
Love
you next
ya.
time.
Alright, y'all let me out. No.